Greetings from Hercules Automobile Manufacturing Uganda Company Limited. At our premises, we have quality tractor heads available and ready for sale. We are currently offering a used Howo tractor head, well-maintained and in excellent working condition. This unit comes with a 371 horsepower engine, strong performance, and good mileage. It is red in color, fitted with brand new tires, a new interior, and a strong, durable body. The engine is powerful, reliable, and built for long-distance operations. When you purchase the Shackman, you receive a brand new spare tire plus free spare parts. Get reliable trucks at fair and competitive prices. Visit Hercules Automobile Manufacturing Uganda Company Limited today.